come across a little village. There's a couple of little kids that live here. The people that live up here are a different indigenous tribe to most of the Philippines. Most Filipinos you see, we've got long black hair. If you notice those two little kids, they've both got curly hair.
They call them, that's what they call them, kulot, which means curly hair.
So they're the Kulot tribe, so they're the curly hairs, and Maylin's tribe are the straight hairs. There's a bit of a dispute going on over land at the moment, so hopefully we won't get caught up in that. Oh look, there's a goat. Just make out that little village there. That's the little village we went through where the curly hair people live. And there's the big Mount Ararat volcano in the background.